Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation for today. And here is your quote. Relax, it's the weekend. Just don't blink or it'll all be over. Here we are then. The weekend has finally landed. Now this means nothing if you're working it, but if you are off, why not just take it easy? Give yourself some time here for you. But hey, don't take too long. We all know that it disappears in a quick flash. So yes, enjoy it all, but also make some use of the time for something worthwhile. So come the end of Sunday, you can be satisfied that you spent your time doing something worthwhile.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.